Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear friends, in this video, I will explain about the methods practiced in India. Actually, how many methods are adopted in sheep breeding? There are three methods. First one is traditional method. Second one is semi-intensive grazing method. And third one is intensive grazing method. Intensive grazing method, also called as zero grazing method. The first method of traditional grazing was originally practiced by almost all sacred prophets, messengers, may peace be upon them all. Therefore, this profession is nobleman's profession, very ancient method, and it is being practiced by generations. This is traditionally practiced method. If you wish to start this profession, you can feel proud because this profession had been the profession of prophets, messengers of Allah. There is no much amount is need to be invested under this traditional method, as all the day sheep graze outside at pastures, barren lands, forest areas, and marginal areas. This method is convenient to small farmers, peasants, but flock cannot grow much as expected, as energy gained through this method will be wasted in to and fro journey of the flock. So friends, why this method is not lucrative? There is high risk, higher mortality rate due to lack of scientific management, danger from wild animals, thieves is seemingly more, non-availability of green fodder all the time, shortage of green fodder due to declining of grazing lands and forest land also one of the reason. Lack of interest of current generation in this traditional grazing method because it consumes much time which has to be spent outside, which present generation does not like to do. Under these circumstances, what to do? The first one is grazing method has to be changed and scientific methods and innovative new methods have to be adopted. In next part, I will explain about scientific method adopted worldwide.